Yun pa lang, you can always say that that is the best day of your life. Today is day 6 of my 100 days consistency. Here's the exact quote that you need to hear today. Our quote of today is, write it in your heart that every day is the best day in the year. This is my short diary. Puno to ng mga hinanakit ko sa buhay. Mga wins, small wins and everything. And yeah. We only live once. So kung patuloy kang malulungkot, madidepress, at matatali sa nakaraan o sa mga bagay na hindi mo nagawa noon, habang buhay ka lang magiging malungkot. Minsan tingnan mo rin yung mga bagay na meron ka. Buhay ka, nakakakain ka, may bahay ka, may internet ka, kaya mong mangarap. And I think, yun pa lang, you can always say that that is the best day of your life. Nabuhay ka. That's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye.